Deo, kekeme. Okay, ọrụ na ihe awụ mbụ ị na-ele ihe onyonyo aha m bụ Ijeọma Hakubue. Okay, mbụ onye na-enyere gị aka ọ bụrụ na ị na-amụ ka esi asụ Igbo. Okay, so if this is your first time of joining me in this live videos, my name is Ijeọma Hakubue, and I help Igbo learners who are learning to speak Igbo. I support them in their Igbo speaking journey, okay? So they can speak with their parents and their friends, okay? So, kedu ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya taa? Kedu ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya taa? What are we talking about today? Ihe anyị ga-ekwu bụ gbasara ihe mere iji amụ Igbo. Okay, kedu ihe mere iji amụ Igbo? Why are you learning Igbo? Kedu ihe mere iji amụ Igbo? Okay, ị nwere ike iche na ajụọla m ajụjụ a ọtụtụ oge. You might feel that I've asked this question a lot if you have been with me in my group. I have a reason for that. Okay, ọ bụrụ na ị chere m ajụọla ajụjụ a ọtụtụ oge, o nwere ihe mere m ji ajụ ya. There's a reason why I ask it, okay? This is because it is hard to learn Igbo, okay? I'll just be truthful. It is hard, okay? It is very, very doable. It is very, very possible. People have done it. People are doing it. But just so you know, it's not easy, okay? We all know that good things usually take some time to happen, and it takes some effort. So Igbo speaking is the same. To take your time, to take your effort, it will take your money, okay? So it is hard, but why do I keep reminding you to think about why you're learning Igbo? It's just because you have to sort of find your own reason, okay? Let it not be people or something else. Just find your reason why you're learning it, okay? And even, let's say you ask yourself, like I ask you, why are you learning Igbo? And you say, it is maybe so I can speak with my parents. Okay, then I would ask you further, why do you want to be able to speak Igbo with your parents? Okay, that would be the second question you should ask yourself. Why do you want to be able to speak Igbo with your parents? So you might say, oh, I will feel closer to them, or I'll feel a closer bond. Good. Then I will ask you again, why do you want a closer bond with your parents? Okay. Okay, then you might say, oh, that's really sort of what I've always wanted. I've always wanted to speak Igbo so I can feel close. I've always wanted them to be proud of me, or I've always wanted to be connected to my roots. I love Igbo, but I would really, really love to know how to speak it, okay? So the more you give your reasons, the more you keep digging deep, and then you find that reason and write it down somewhere. This is my reason for learning Igbo, okay? Lekwa ihe mere nji amụ Igbo. Excuse me. Lekwa ihe mere nji amụ Igbo. Okay? All right? Why is this very important? This is important because then when the going gets tough, because like I said, it will get tough. Okay? In the beginning, when you're starting, it's always we're excited. You learn lots and lots. It's like kids, when they're learning things, they learn lots and lots and lots. And then at a time, sort of plateau, and then you have to sort of motivate yourself or find a new angle to approach it from, so that you can build up that excitement again. Okay, so when it comes to that plateau phase, when you're not feeling so on top of the world and not so excited, then you can go back to where you've written that reason. Okay, and remind yourself, I want to learn Igbo so I can feel closer to my parents, feel closer to my grandparents, feel really like a true Igbo person, or whatever your reason was. You go back and remind yourself, okay? Then you can also pick up yourself and keep going, okay? I'll give you an example. So I'm not learning Igbo, but the other things I'm learning and doing, because this can be applied to really anything. Okay, like I'm learning actually how best to teach you Igbo. So myself, I've got a coach myself, okay, somebody who's teaching me how help you more, how to guide you, how to support you as you learn Igbo. So I have a coach who I have just hired recently, actually. Okay, so when each time we meet, we agree on action plans. Okay, and my action plan for the past week, I hadn't done it, and now I'm supposed to meet my coach today. So last night, actually started doing it yesterday morning, I think, but I didn't finish it, and I really, really wanted to finish it before I met her today. Okay, so last night I sort of wanted to do it before I slept, but then I slept off, and then I woke up around 1:30 a.m. I think I was dreaming of that thing I was meant to do, really. I couldn't really rest. So I woke up thinking of it. I was like, oh, I need to get up, I need to get up. Then it took me an extra 1 more hour to actually get up from bed. So about 2:30, I finally got up to come and do the tasks I was meant to do. Okay, there was a list of things I was meant to do. So I did them until this morning, about 7:30. So it took me about 5 hours to do it, okay? So, but in the end, I did it, and I'm so happy with myself today that I did that task, okay? So what was I saying? So what helped me last night when I was feeling tired and I wanted to sleep instead of do those tasks was I remembered why I was doing this, okay? I know I want to teach you, but I want you to learn. But really, really, my main reason is that teaching Igbo enables me, okay, to work from any location, really. It's a location independent thing. So I can do it from home, I can do it from anywhere. Okay, and then, like I said, you have to find the reason behind the reason. So why do I want to work from any location? Why do I want to be able to work from home? Okay, and my reason is I've got a family, I've got a young family. I want to be able to spend as much time as I can with them. Okay, if you ask people, I've asked people that have grown up children, and they tell you that these children grow up really quickly. You wouldn't know where the time has gone. Okay, so I don't want all the whole time to pass me by. I want to be there as much as I can when they have things at school, when they go for their games, after school clubs, take them for swimming and things like that. I want to be able to do those things. And that is what teaching Igbo enables me to do. Okay, so I had to remind myself of those reasons. So I didn't have to sleep. I had to just get up and do it because ultimately I have a very, very pressing, cogent, I don't know if that's correct, but very solid reason for what I am doing. And if you keep digging behind that, actually, it's okay, why do you want to spend the time with the children? And then I'll say, oh, like I said, I want to spend time with them so that when they grow, I don't regret not spending that time with them. Or maybe when I'm older, I won't regret not spending time. Because if you ask elderly people as well, they'll tell you, I'm not that the things they regret most is not spending time with their family and friends. Okay, those are like most of the top reasons. So I don't want to have that regret. So I'm taking proactive action. So I had to force myself out of bed and do those tasks my coach assigned me to do. And today I feel so good I've done it. So that's what I'm saying. Just try and write the why you're learning Igbo. Okay, write it down somewhere so that when that time comes, maybe you're supposed to show up on a call with your Igbo language coach, or you're supposed to log on to your course page and study, or you're supposed to just maybe learn something on your own according to your schedule that you've already planned, and then you're feeling tired. If you remind yourself of why you wanted to do it in the first place, and then that will help you sort of get up and do what you need to do. Okay, so try, if you haven't actually asked yourself, I'm asking you now, why are you learning Igbo? Write it in the comment section. I want to know why you're learning Igbo. Okay, and if you've told me before, thank you for telling me. But if you haven't, please write it down why you're learning Igbo. And then while you're writing that reason, remember to ask yourself the reason behind that reason. Okay, until you get to the bottom of the reasons why you want to learn Igbo. And write it down in your notebook somewhere. And on the days when it's hard, when it's tough, when it feels like you haven't really learned much, you can go there and find out your reason and carry on. Have you heard? Nola, Okay. Enugu and Anambra will say Inugo. Imo and Abia will say Enola. Same thing. Have you heard? Oh, one. Ka ọ dị ka anya fụrụ. Ka o mesịa.